In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize Slack sidebar. If your Slack sidebar feels a little cluttered, this quick walkthrough will help you clean it up so your most important conversations are always easy to find. First, open your browser and go to app.slack.com. Once you're in your workspace, look to the left side of the screen. That's your sidebar. You'll see areas like starred, channels, and direct messages. What we're going to do is rearrange what you see there so the channels you use most often are exactly where you want them. To organize the sidebar, hover your mouse over any channel name, click and hold the channel, then drag it to the spot where you want it to live. As you move it, you'll notice a thin guideline showing you where it will land. Release your mouse to drop it into place. This is the fastest way to prioritize your conversations and keep your focus on what matters. If you prefer using a trackpad, it works the same way. Press and hold, drag and release. You can move a channel from lower down in the list to higher up. This is perfect for channels you check throughout the day, like team stand-ups or project threads. Pull them toward the top so they're always within easy reach. Think of this like arranging your desk. The tools you use most should sit closest to your hand. And of course, you can also drag a channel down if it's not as urgent. If a channel is still useful but not top priority, slide it further down in your list. This keeps your view cleaner without leaving the channel or muting it. You can always adjust again later. Nothing here is permanent, and you won't affect anyone else's view by reorganizing your own sidebar. If you want a channel to be visible at all times, move it to starred. Starred sits at the top of your sidebar and is meant for your must-see items. You can do this in two ways. Drag the channel into the starred area or click the star icon next to the channel's name to toggle it on. When a channel is starred, it stays pinned up top, making it incredibly quick to spot and open. As a quick tip, keep your starred list focused. Aim to star only the channels you truly check constantly. That way, the starred section remains a reliable home base. That's it. Go to app.slack.com, drag channels up or down to reorder them, and star the ones you want pinned at the top. With just a few drags, your Slack sidebar becomes clear, intentional, and easy to navigate.